Anambra State is on fire as we are speaking right now. As unknown gunmen don't come back for Anambra and they say they don't buy 2 policemen. No be small thing, no. As we did they talk that one, they say for IMO State, say hope UZODINMA don't go bring a special force. They say this one they go capture all those ones we go buy DPO for there. As we they talk that one, no, they say that the Biafra Liberation Army don't neutralize many Nigeria army and recover many weapons and arms. No be small thing. We'll go find out how this thing take happen. No. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today not the first time they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We dey here, they bring you update back to back as they hot. Our update na legito. Wait till they tell here and so it happen and so they bring her, they can give you. And before we proceed, go look into the matter what we get for our hand today. If you know say you never subscribe to this wonderful channel, I don't know what you are waiting for. May you quickly subscribe and also make sure say they follow this page back to back so that you no go miss our update. Let's jump into the matter where we get for our hand today. They say for Imo State now, say hope UZODINMA don't go bring a special force. We go fight and capture the people who buy DPO for that place. We will play you the video the moment where the force they waka gidigbam. No be smart, you know. As that one they happen, may you watch the video before we proceed. We'll take one after the other. The squad where hope UZODINMA and special force when carry come. No be smart, you know. As that one day happen, let's quickly go and look wetin happen for Anambra State. They say that unknown gunmen don't buy 2 police for that place. Remember say yesterday they still buy 2 police for Imo State. Today na Anambra now they go buy. We'll show you the video. May you watch, but we'll go cover the video like we did yesterday because of their wahala for inside this place. Yeah, my wonderful people. Things are really happening in Southeast as we they talk. They say the place where they call Akata Abi for Imo State. They say some group of boys, their work now to go they remove transformer where they give the village light. The people where they remove transformer waiting be their mindset. They no get conscience at all. I be don't know how many people use light to do this December. We know say NEPA no they bring light, but the flashing where they flash, people see they use and they charge phone. Why they go they thief the transformer for this village? I'm going to show you the video. May you see how they remove everything where they for inside this transformer. Why did they do this in the village? You no get security. Why the security of the village no fit capture them? I think say Bubago is everywhere. Nigeria police we claim say that they protect people. They everywhere. Even all the whole security, but every security day. Why? How come these people tell they do this? Nobody they see where they do them for this village. Let's play the video. May you watch before we come back and proceed.
Yeah, transformer nke nọ na ala ọkwa akata nke nọ na Uru East Local Government behind St. Mary's Catholic Church. Ụmụazị a ha vandalize this transformer. So let the state and the world see all these things. Ụmụaka Ebonyi State ha na-emere anyị ihe ndị a. Ha chọrọ ihe ọma n'obodo anyị. Ihe awọ ihe ndị ha na-emegasịrị anyị. They can condemn more transformer. My feed that pillar every. I want to hear from here. What did hear from here? So ono fukwa ya because ana nwere ebe ọrụ ha kọrọ ebe ọrụ ha kụrụ. So ejikwa na ha ya ka anyị ji chọọ ka anyị mee ka unu dị aware of all this. Here bụ the transformer na enwe onye nwezi ihe nọ n'ime unu fụrụ ya. Ha bụ every damn thing. So this is it. Every.
Yeah, my people, things that happen. This one where they happen now. The question why I want ask for inside. Now, also, I've been a funny people they do this one. This is the question why they ask. Why would they bite ourselves? Why we no say government no care for us? The ones where our people they manage fight put. Why would they use our hand? They destroy them. If you are among those people where they involve of removing this transformer, believe in me, before this December, electric will shock all of una for that place. No be small thing, no, and also we'll see am for the place where they call Akata. Okay, let's go back for the previous update where we don't update to now. They say that the Biafra Liberation Army and Biafra Resistance Fighter has neutralized so many Nigeria military and all their forces where they carry come. They said they recover so many arms and they recover so many things from them, both bomb, many things where they recover from them. And they say not stop there, that even December where they thought say they will start the lockdown for inside Biafra land never reach, but they don't buy anywhere where they this one shock me. Now we call us say waiting they happen, all the buy where they buy, nobody don't come outside the claim them. But however, they don't say they don't buy, but they don't show us picture and they don't show us video. So now they write up now the same way would they read and come outside for now. More know waiting they happen for inside Biafra land. As that one they go on, no, they say for Anambra state, and so two policemen just they drive as they just stop. Now the government just take them. Now so two of them go sleep for ground. Things are happening, and as that one they happen, say Nigeria force don't still come outside, come claim say they don't arrest 18 suspected IPOB and ESN because of the DPO where they buy for inside IMO state, and because of that everybody now is a suspect. So if you are a young boy in Southeast, be very careful, because when they catch you, you have no issue. You go explain tire, as you explain, they go tag you on non-government or ESN or IPOB. So especially if you're from all those area where those things they happen, know how your waka go be, know how you take the move. But the thing is that all these things where they do, the youth are now running away from their villages because of they are suspect, even though they do anything or they not do anything. The people who do something, they don't tell on many times, say they inside bush, make una come that place, come find them. But rather, the police and army are moving into villages and be picking young boys. And this is what is happening in Southeast. The worst part of it is that all the people who call themselves leaders are not condemning this act. But this kind of a thing can never happen in the North. It can never happen in the North. Even in the South self, it can never happen in the North. But Southeast has become a place where the military didn't even respect the traditional rulers anymore. And it is they cannot even do in their own villages. But they are doing it in Southeast. If something happens, they have why they call them police intelligence. They have to do proper investigation to pick up the real suspects, but not picking random people. And the worst part of it is that they're not going to even leave them free, but rather they will pay money to bed themselves. The money we are talking here is thousands. Sometimes it enters millions to bed themselves. The people that know nothing, the people that do nothing. So nobody is talking about all this is happening. So Hope UZODINMA is back to complete what it is not finished. So if something happen, not be people where dey the village do am. The people who do something don't do am comot. Na to track them and capture them and leave the villagers alone. My people, I'm advising all youth from southeast to be very, very careful. Don't be the victim of these things that are happening. Please share this video so that other people will get this information and know how they will take their waka. And make sure say they follow this page for more updates as it dey hot.